Hip hop is just this head nod.
Sí, protege tu espíritu, guarda tu virtud. El águila no podrá salir victorioso. El amor del Todopoderoso vencerá a estos políticos mafiosos. El tiempo de libertad.
Stamina is one of the first things that I mastered as a beatboxer. And what that was just me sitting in front of a clock and just doing it for as long as I could do it.
Every cypher you go into, you see the beatboxer. And everybody appreciates a good beatboxer. I believe that's a branch off the element of the MC. Maybe every good MC should learn how to beatbox.
I'm ready, see, ha. Now.
You have to inhale at some point, and you breathe through your nose.
So I know you can rap and beatbox at the same time. I worked on something once, I can't remember exactly how it went, but it was more like, I be the fattest beatbox on the block, sort of like in that flavor, you know what I'm saying?
Also with the, you find your breath in the pattern.
This is me versus Monolith, unable to avoid what is blatant. I can't not read the smoke signals